Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an after dark clean with me, a Christmas clean with me, because we got all the decorations up and I'm going to be playing some good old Christmas music during this video. Everybody is asleep. My husband's out in the garage working out. Both kids are down. It has been a rough day. I am just having a very off week. My husband finally went back to work after 2 weeks after having his shoulder surgery. So it's just me, and my oldest is not going to school right now because of Thanksgiving, and 3-year-olds, they got some sass. And my 1-year-old, she's starting to get some sass. So let's just say this mama's like really tired. I'm ready to go to bed, but I have kind of a mess. It's not like bad, like I could totally just go to bed right now and not care, but I know it's gonna make me feel better if I just get some of this stuff done, and when I wake up in the morning, it will be so refreshing to know that I got all that done. Just to kind of show you what I'm gonna be cleaning, we have this. Shouldn't be like this, like half of those don't even go in there. This all goes other places. We have shoes. This all needs to be put back together. Toys need to be put away. Pillowcases. I need to finish putting my Christmas pillowcases onto the pillows. Pretty sure there's a lot of, yup, the infamous ball pit was out today, if you can't tell. I really want to kind of clean this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to this, but I want to put those logs inside the fireplace, but I would like for them to be clean first. I've had laundry sitting here for at least 3 days. It's clean, needs to be folded. And yeah, just all this, that, like this is usually way worse in here, but it's just little things. Enough that I need to just get it done. The first thing I'm going to do is start off by turning my little Christmas lights on. The day had just been super crazy and I had never really gotten a chance to turn them on, but normally I have them on all day long just because I love that like cozy feeling, and I try to remember that this is only up for about a month or so I might as well use it whenever I can.
To see you again.
This was actually really funny because I was trying to find the other plaid pillow and I could not find it. I ended up finding it in my master bedroom because my daughter had taken all those ball pit balls and put them under my bed, and then she proceeded to turn my bed into a fort and took all the pillows and like lined them up around the edge of the bed. So that's where I had found it.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
I feel like I'm constantly organizing toys and going through them, and we honestly don't keep any toys that they don't really play with, but I still feel like there's just a ton of them. So after Christmas and into the new year, we will be going through and probably doing another toy purge, just because Chloe is getting a little bit older now. Soon she's not going to need that walker because she is starting to walk everywhere by herself. And there's just a few things that I noticed that she is not really continued to play with. So I'm just going to wait till after Christmas, see what they get from family and friends, and then we will go from there.
Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
I want to take this time and say thank you so much. I literally have so many new subscribers just in the last 3 weeks. I think I gained about 1,000 of them, and I just want to say hi, welcome, thank you for subscribing. And if you guys have not seen my last clean and decorate video, I think it was part 3 of my entryway, go ahead and go and watch that, because that is probably one of my most favorite. I know for some reason YouTube didn't push that one like the other two, and I'm not quite sure, but if you guys can, always remember to thumbs up your guys' favorite YouTube videos, whether they're mine or somebody else's, or share them, because that really helps us out as creators. It also helps me know that this is what type of content that you guys like, and YouTube is just kind of like a crazy world in the way that its algorithm works, and it pushes some videos and then some videos it doesn't push. So it's really confusing, especially as a creator. It kind of drives me insane sometimes, because the amount of time and effort that we put into these videos is just ridiculous, and some people don't really realize that.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
And a little hack for you guys, if you have essential oils, I highly suggest putting at least like 5 or 6 drops on your vacuum filter, because it absolutely makes your house smell amazing when you're vacuuming. I always do this. It lasts quite a few vacuums, so I always decide what flavor or scent, I guess, not flavor, what scent do I want my house to smell like. So tonight I chose clove. And also, a few clips back, I had zoomed in, I actually got the vacuum out of the closet, and when I grabbed it, I must have grabbed my hair, because when I sat down the vacuum, it totally like pulled my hair. It was so funny when I was watching this back.
Me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind.
I also want to remind everybody, if you ever think about it, or if I don't know if it pops up on your home feed or what, but I am always leaving a message in my community tab on my channel, and the other day I actually had asked a poll question, and I was so surprised with the feedback that I got. I'm so thankful that you guys actually answered the question for me, and I had just asked if you prefer like only music on cleaning videos, or a little bit of talking, or a lot of talking. You guys all chose a lot of talking, which I'm so happy you did, because I always feel like I have a billion things to say, and sometimes I'm like, wait, are they mad because they didn't actually get to listen to the music? So I'm so glad that you guys answered that, and make sure you're always checking back, because I always have something to say in there. I'm always catching up or letting you know when a new video is coming out, or if I can't get a video out. And also go to my Instagram. I am always over there. I'm on stories most of the time. Sometimes I take like a little break here and there, but I usually am on stories quite often. I am so obsessed with this accent wall that I did. If you guys did not see my last clean and decorate with me, I showed you how I installed this all by myself. I painted it, everything, cut the wood, nailed it on, and then decorated it for Christmas. There is duct tape there because there's a hole I need to patch, and I was just kind of being funny by sticking duct tape on top of it. The other little tree, which is on the other side of this basket, it will not, for the life of it, stay up there. This one has yet to fall down. The ledge is like really not that wide. So I am determined to figure out how to keep that staying up there, but I am just, it makes me want to do more of it somewhere else in this house because it looks so good.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and if you can, hit the bell notification. Make sure you hit it and select. There's 3 options, I believe, and you want to hit all notifications because sometimes YouTube will not push out certain videos to my subscribers. I don't know why they do that. Apparently there's a good reason. I don't think so, but it would be nice if you could do that. That way you know when I upload. But in the next month, so in the month of December, in the first week or 2, I do have quite a bit of videos coming. I have my last clean and decorate, and then I will have a completed holiday house tour coming up for you guys, and I'm so excited to show you just how everything turned out. I did add a little bit of things here and there after filming my other videos, so it's always nice to watch the house tour and see what I have changed.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
I was actually extremely happy this night because cleaning the kitchen is like my least favorite thing to do, and there really was not that many dishes. Like, I actually barely had to hand wash anything. Like, everything could go in the dishwasher. The dishwasher wasn't extremely full like usual. I don't know if we were just very conservative on our dishes today, or if I kept up with it during the day. I have no clue. Usually it's a hot mess in here. And we did have tacos, so that really didn't require a lot of like dishes or pots and pans. But right here I am just cleaning the sink with Dawn dish soap, and then I found this stuff under the sink that I forgot we had. It's called soft scrub, I believe, and it leaves your sink like extremely shiny, and it kind of puts like a protective coat over it, and it's supposed to get like any rust spots, anything like that on there. And I put way too much because it said to shake the bottle. Well, I obviously did not shake it well enough because the first like squirt that I did, it came out with like just clear liquid, and then the stuff came out. So yeah, I did put a little bit too much on, but it kind of smelled good, and I really think it did make a difference on the sink. So it said to dry it afterwards, so I just kind of like quickly took a paper towel and wiped up some of the water, but I wasn't too worried about getting it extremely dry.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you.
And for you people that have an Instapot, let me know, comment down below, do you like your Instapot? I don't actually have an Instapot. That's just a pressure cooker, which I know that's what Instapot is, but Instapot is a brand. I don't remember the name of this brand, but it was actually sent to me about a year ago, and I was supposed to make a video about how I loved it and all this stuff, and I actually contacted them and said I actually don't love your product, so I have never suggested it to you guys. I rarely use it. The only reason I've been using it is because our rice cooker broke, and this makes rice, but let me tell you, this thing sucks. Like, it just does not work. It's always breaking, and I highly suggest not getting it. I will have to look up the name of the brand and let you guys know, but definitely probably just go with the name brand one.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.